Hi, I'm Maria Fernandez, Director of Sales here at the beautiful Home2 Suites by Hilton. Home2 Suites is a fresh take on a mid-scale all-suite hotel. We have 102 suites in our property with flat panel HD TVs, sleeper sofas, and kitchen with full-size refrigerator and freezers. We are more than just your extended stay hotel. We're your new neighbors. We offer free breakfast with our Inspire table with a free continental breakfast, including a variety of morning favorites, hot breakfast sandwiches. Also, take advantage of our free Bin to Cycle. It's our combined fitness and laundry facility. Run a load of laundry while you jog a few miles on the treadmill. We have a business center. Enjoy complimentary wireless internet access throughout the hotel and media hubs in all of our suites. We're pet friendly. Dogs are welcome, cats are friendly, but no giraffes. Also enjoy our outside spaces, socialize on the patio, throw a dinner on the grill, or curl up by a nice fire pit. Home2 Suites by Hilton in Clermont, Florida is located just minutes from Disney, Universal, and your favorite attractions. Remember, at Home2 Suites, it's your home too.